Embark Richmond Highway is a multi-phased effort that looks at updating the comprehensive plan, looks at concentrating densities in the areas, certain nodes along the corridor, and also upgrading the transportation system in the corridor. So partly widening of the road, but also implementing a bus rapid transit system in the corridor.
Richmond Highway is a really diverse and unique place. It's a historic highway. Embark Richmond Highway intends to bring it up into the 21st century by looking at multimodal solutions to transportation. Multimodal means not only a road that is inviting for people in cars, which is the way it's been for many, many years, but also bicyclists, pedestrians, and people who want to take transit. So the transit we're looking at is bus rapid transit, which would be in a dedicated lane down the middle of Richmond Highway and allow people to get around a lot more quickly.
So BRT stands for Bus Rapid Transit, and what it is, it's an enhanced transit system. The Richmond Highway corridor currently has a lot of bus service right now, but those buses are sitting in the same traffic that everybody else is sitting in. So there's no time advantage necessarily for somebody to use the bus. With Bus Rapid Transit, you create a dedicated lane, a set of dedicated lanes, one in each direction, so that the bus actually can get out of traffic. It can pass traffic. As part of the program, as part of the project, there will be 9 stations that are located throughout the corridor, starting at the Huntington Metro Station and working its way down to Fort Belvoir. Some of the stations that will be located along the corridor would be at the PennDOT area, near Beacon Mall, near the Hybla Valley Shopping Center, the South County Government Center, Woodlawn. So there'll be a number of places along the corridor that people will be able to access the bus rapid transit. It's not just limited though to focused on the cars and the BRT. We're also going to be upgrading the pedestrian facilities along the corridor and implementing bicycle facilities along the corridor. We provide facilities so that people can connect between where they are and where they want to go without necessarily getting in their cars. So they can walk, they can bike, they can take the BRT to do that. They can take the regular bus because the regular bus is still going to be there.
We're doing this through a 2-year study, and we're looking at all aspects of transportation, land use, and urban design to allow Richmond Highway to evolve into a new kind of place where it will be known for wonderful shops, great living, and of course a terrific transportation system. Community feedback is one of the most important elements of any planning study. By bringing people in to talk about kind of what they hope to see, what they don't want to see, is instrumental in helping us evolve the study and eventually amend the comprehensive plan.
Well, the advisory group's role is to make sure that we are a conduit for communication between the county staff and the Board of Supervisors and all of the communities that reside along Richmond Highway.
It's been a long time. We've got some new development that's happening now with the Shelby and Beacon of Groveton. We have some really, really nice apartment and residential housing along the highway. So we're really excited about that and some of the other retails that I'm sure that will follow along. And I'm excited for our county supervisors to allow the advisory group to assist with the county and to be there to work alongside the county to offer our ideas and as stakeholders in this community to make sure that we're representing our community well, the different associations that have worked years and long hours and volunteered a lot of time. So we're very passionate about where we live, like most communities, and about this area. So we want to make sure that the transportation that is placed here along Richmond Highway is the best of the best.